How to connect API with WordPress. So first of all, we need just a single plugin from which we can add any kind of external APIs into our WordPress site directly. So tap on the plugins on your left hand side and then you need to search for WP get API. Once you search for this, you just need to go for the first one, which is connect to external APIs. Tap on this, and if you have a subscription, you just need to tap on the install application. Otherwise, this will shows up where you have to tap on upgrade and activate button. Once you do so, if I scroll down, as you can see, we have these major features like connect your WordPress website to any REST API. As I talked about earlier in the video, you just need this plugin and you will be able to connect API with WordPress site, which is very simple. You just need to follow the on-screen instruction after installing this particular plugin into your WordPress site. So that was the process of how you can connect API with WordPress.